Qsource is celebrating 50 years of healthcare quality improvement. That's 5 decades of changing healthcare for the better. We have impacted millions of people with our tireless efforts to spread best practices, ensure quality of care is delivered, and break down barriers to high-quality healthcare. Our mission has always been to improve the quality of healthcare. We've expanded our reach from 1 state to 11 and increased our capacity to change healthcare for millions with additional services for managed care recipients and dialysis patients. Based in Memphis, Tennessee, Qsource began as the Shelby County Foundation for Medical Care, founded by Dr. Leon Swatzel as a professional standard review organization in 1973. In 1977, the organization's name was changed to the Mid-South Foundation for Medical Care, Inc., MSFMC, and on July 1, 1984, after the implementation of federal legislation, MSFMC became the peer review organization for Tennessee and was awarded the first quality improvement contract for Medicare. Qsource has witnessed the healthcare landscape change as the paradigm shifted to patient-centered care, bolstered by regulatory standard requirements on the federal, state, and local levels. In the years since our founding, we have expanded our quality improvement and assurance services into other states and other federal contracts. Our quality improvement experts have impacted millions of people with Medicare and Medicaid by helping healthcare providers implement best practices. Our advisors and analysts have supported state governments as they navigate managed care. Our networks have improved the lives of dialysis patients and supported the facilities serving them. We invited our partners to share the impact Qsource has had on the care that they deliver. Let's hear what they have to say.
I want to just say that Qsource has really been a great partner for us since I came on board a year ago. They have regularly attended our coalition meetings with giving good input and helping us even writing our grant, as well as our community readiness report that we just recently had to do, which involves a smoke-free community. So I've enjoyed the fellowship that I have gotten, but alongside the educational tools and things have been magnificent. So we are very thankful for their partnership.
We love Qsource. We love the information, and the greatest thing of all, it's free. So, and in government, as budgets get tight and stuff, anything we can get free like that, and it being valuable information, we are thrilled, and we love having Qsource partner with us, and look forward to many more collaborations in the future.
We have been working really closely with Qsource over the last couple of years. The work that Qsource does and the work that they're doing is extremely important, not only to Mill Ray Center, but the people that we serve. And we're really thankful, and congratulations on your anniversary.
For me, Qsource has been helpful when medical director says, are we going to get a penalty or not? And so if we're going to get a penalty, I probably won't have a job. So when that happens, I call Krista. She calms me down. She walks me through it, and it really helps. Knowing everything about the QPP system is not something I have any time to research. And so having a resource like Qsource is awesome. Really happy with all of my experiences with Qsource. So I wish you all the best. Thanks so much.
I have been working with Qsource for several months now. They have come into 2 of my more challenging facilities and have done excellent work there. They have been doing some back to basic training with our nurses and CNAs, which has been detrimental with their documentation. They are going to do some director of nursing training for me in 2 of my buildings, which both are looking forward to. They have been a huge asset in making sure we are hitting our clinical strengths as well as getting the necessary documentation that we need. I am very pleased with what they have done for both of my facilities and excited to continue this journey with them.
We are so honored to be part of multiple committees with the ESRD network, where we have been able to work with them and have access to so much information that we can take back to our center and to share with other dialysis patients so that they can have a better quality of life.
Thank you.
We wouldn't be the facility we are today if it wasn't for Qsource. We wouldn't be, our doors wouldn't be as open. We wouldn't be able to accept as the folks that we do if we didn't have those resources. But again, I keep coming back to that, but it's so important when you're a freestanding, small, not-for-profit little community-owned facility. You have to have those resources.
I wanted to wish Qsource a very happy 50th anniversary and give a big thank you to the support that you've provided to our facilities throughout the years. What's so unique about the Qsource team is that they work right alongside your team, providing support, resources, and actionable feedback that helps us to improve our quality initiatives and outcomes. So thank you, Qsource. You've been there right along with us and even celebrated our wins and improvements. And we're here to celebrate your 50th anniversary with you and to say thank you and that we hope you're around for another 50 years. Congratulations.
I have had the pleasure of becoming involved with Qsource through the dementia-friendly efforts in Orange County and now also Lawrence County. It has been such a pleasure to get to know the folks at Qsource. Their knowledge and readiness with information and has just been invaluable to both of our dementia-friendly communities that we work with. Always have bright ideas, innovative, have really appreciated the input, the willingness to help support our people living with dementia in these rural areas. So we are very grateful with the support ongoing with Qsource.
On behalf of the Arkansas Department of Health Trauma Section, I want to say thank you to Qsource for 10 years of amazing service, from validation reports to orchestrating our preventable mortality review and everything in between that you do for us at such a remarkable level. Thank you. Happy 50th birthday, Qsource. Continue to provide the amazing service that you've already done so well in the past. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and happy 50th birthday.
Our impact on the healthcare system is something to celebrate. Here's to 50 more years of healthcare improvement for millions more.